for choosing Delta, the health and safety of our customers.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's the 31st, so the last day of 2023. Flying back to San Diego today, so we're leaving York, Pennsylvania. It's been an incredible time here. This would be a little travel vlog, little New Year's vlog. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm also eager to get home and see how the ice bath race is going with Aiden. It's gonna be interesting. For now, let's knock out those 3 minutes and get the day started. Whew, it is chilly out here. It is a lot harder when the air temperature is cold. Whew. 3, 2, 1. The final ice bath of 2023 is completed. Let's go take a shower and head to the airport. We are headed over to security, just drop bags off at Delta. We both just had one bag to drop, which was nice. Everything is running smoothly. Just gonna go through TSA pre-check and grab some food. Usually they just run their fingers around it. Took maybe 5 minutes to check our bags, get through security. It's super fast. And that was probably the easiest experience I've had at BWI so far. Shout out Delta. We both have the Amex card, so we're able to get into most lounges, but sometimes things can be weird depending on like your ticket and stuff like that, so, or they're just not open or you can't get to them like conveniently. So we'll see if we can just jump over here, grab some free drinks and some free food.
I don't know about this.
Yeah, that was probably the most awkward entrance to a lounge. All right, that was a decent lounge experience. Not the biggest lounge, but we got free coffees and some food to get us through the flight. It's just nice not having to spend money at the airport when you're already spending money to fly. So we'll take it, and now we're headed to our gate. We're boarding in about 10 minutes. All right, we just landed in Detroit. We're walking through the airport to loosen up our legs, and then we're gonna hit another lounge, grab some food, some drinks, hang out for a bit. Detroit airport is really nice. Gonna walk a little bit longer, get some stretching in, and then we have like a 2-hour layover until our next flight, which takes us into San Diego, and then we're home. Walk the whole way down. Oh, all good? Thank you very much. A lot of food over here. This airport has the coolest train system ever, and I absolutely love it. Here it comes. Come on. Boom.